gonna
Yo,
be on the 30th.
Are you gonna rip it or what? I'm filming.
Hold on.
Oh shit!
Oh, come on, get the fuck out the way.
Rev this thing to the moon. You got a new water pump. It doesn't matter.
He's gonna fucking blow a motor because the Parker's gonna force him into it.
Dude,
this guy's like, yo, let me drive it. No lift shift.
For like 95 grand.
Rolls Royce.
Cause that's like an 04.
Japanese muscle.
Yeah, he's...
Yo, can you bounce off rev limiter once for me? Just once.
Can you bounce off your gas gauge?
I'll drop it up first right now.
Do it. I actually want you to.
Yeah, I'm willing to push to a lot of limits, but I don't know about that one.
Dude, I bounce off my rev limiter all day. It's worth it. Oh, look at that old Porsche. Is that a Porsche or what?
That's like a little...
What is that?
Oh, it is. There's two of them. Oh, they're skirting each other.
Oh, nice. Yo, the sunlight is burning my neck.
I'm sorry I don't have fucking carbon ceramic.
Carbon ceramic tin.
But those are brakes.
Yeah, like each type of cheese, man. These are
Cheese.
These are toidles. I like toidles. These are toidles.
I like
Go left here.
toidles. Oh, you go left here? I go all the way down.
No. You want to skirt to here so you can go to the Javier's parking lot first.
Hey, comment below if you go to Crystal Cove on the weekends to car spot.
Comment. Let's go. Oh!
Awesome Martin galore.
See, there's a Gallardo.
Have they even like sold any of this? Those have been there for so
There's a
long.
GT3 RS, there's an RA8, dude. Nice.
Yo, Nardo Gray, IS300. Cheers.
Oh, yeah.
Cheers!
Cheers.
That was, what was that?
Performante, it looked like
We just had a fatty wing on there. Shout out Shaw, SSR Performance, represent. Ready, second gear, don't stop. To the moon, to the moon.
I'm pinned right now.
Pin it, keep going, keep going.
Yeah. Skirt.
Oh shit.
I didn't hear any limiter. Turn up.
God damn it.
Better like next time.
Better like next time.
I think it's pretty slow, man. You could probably beat him, honestly. We're at the station. Dad is filling up the car.
Dad, give me a fruit roll up.
Yo.
So I went in there and she was like, nobody was in there. And I was like, hello. She's like, hello. And she was all the way in the back getting a soda.
Maybe that caffeine fix,
Hey,
bro.
can I just get some gas? Objects in the mirror are losing.
Ooh, that's savage,
I'm a
man.
vlogger.
Oh,
Yo, that thing's smoking.
Blowing black smoke.
Yo, this guy's on crack. You need to, you really need to clean this interior. Look at that. That's dusty. That's probably like dead skin off your hand.
Can you make sure it's a neutral?
Oh shit.
we're good.
No, I don't even have my seatbelt on. Don't.
Before he does that, put your seatbelt on, man.
Don't put it in neutral like that before I got my seatbelt on.
That's not a bunch of shit.
What are you about to do?
Yo, I'm about to use a shop vac in this house, okay?
Oh.
Welcome to my house. This is my house. This is where I live.
Thank you.
I open the door for myself.
Oh.
Dude, it's nice in here.
Yeah, it's got about 2,000 square feet. I got options.
You ain't got, there's no bed.
Yeah, it's good because I have options to sleep on like carpet, or I can sleep on a rug that I bought out of impulsiveness.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's about it.
Yo, nice tires, man.
Thank you.
Hey, can I slap them real quick?
I just put my tattoo